Good morning, student. Myself S.P. Kelkar, math teacher from Gnan Prakash Vidya Mandir, Aurangabad. Today we are going to see some more examples which are depends on the coordinate geometry. This chapter is from Math Second. See the example. Example 5. Find K if line passing through point P having its coordinate in bracket minus 12 comma minus 3 bracket close and Q its coordinate 4 comma in bracket 4 comma K has slope 1 by 2. The line passing through the points P and Q is having slope 1 by 2, that is m equal to 1 by 2, and the coordinates of P and coordinates of Q are given. Then write down the slope of line m equal to 1 by 2. Then we write down the formula slope of line m equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Put the values of m equal to 1 by 2. Then y2 is k minus minus 3. Then x2 is 4 minus minus 12. Then 1 by 2 as it is. K minus minus 3 means k plus 3. Then 4 minus minus 12 means again plus 12. 4 plus 12. Then 1 by 2 as it is, k plus 3 divided by 4 plus 12 is 16. Then this 16 goes to the left side and multiply to the 1. That is the 1 into 16 as 16. Then this 2 goes to the right side and multiply to the k plus 3 means 2 into in bracket k plus 3. Now this 2 again goes to the right side and divide to the 16. So k plus 3 equal to 16 divided by 2, that is k plus 3 equal to 8. Then this 3 goes to the right side and change its sign minus. Then 8 minus 3 means k equal to 5. In this way we find out the value of k. Again we see the example 6. Show that the points A having coordinates in bracket 1 comma 2 and B having coordinates in bracket 1 comma 6 and C having coordinate 1 plus 2 under root 3 comma 4. These are the three vertices of the triangle are vertices of a equilateral triangle. We must want to show that this point A, B, C are the vertices of equilateral triangle. Means we find the distance between AB, means we must find the length of each side of the triangle. If the three sides are having same length, then we say that the given triangle is equilateral triangle, and so that ABC are the vertices of the equilateral triangle. In solution, these are the coordinates of A, coordinates of B and coordinates of C. These are the three vertices. By distance formula, we write down here distance formula AB equal to under root in bracket x2 minus x1 bracket square plus second bracket y2 minus y1 bracket square, and put the values. See the x2 means here 1 minus 1 bracket square plus then 6 minus 2 bracket square. 1 minus 1 means 0 square plus 6 minus 2 means 4 square. 0 square is 0, then 4 square is 16. In under root 16, we can find out the root of the 16, AB equal to 4. So we find out the length of AB is 4. Then again we find out the length BC. For that we write down the same formula, distance formula BC equal to in under root in one bracket x2 minus x1 bracket square plus in second bracket y2 minus y1 bracket square, and put the values. Now x2 minus x1. See the x2. 1 plus 2 under root 3. This value is x2. x2 minus 1. x2 minus 1 bracket square plus y2 4 minus 6. 4 minus in bracket 4 minus 6 bracket square. Now this plus 1 and this minus 1 cancel, so we write down here 2 under root 3 bracket square plus 4 minus 6 is minus 2, means in bracket minus 2 bracket square. Now square of this, we write down here 2 square is 4 and square of root 3 is 3. 4 into 3, that is the 12, and square of minus 2 is 4. 12 plus 4 is 16 in root 16. BC equal to under root 16. Then we can find out the root of the 16, means square root of the 16 is 4. BC equal to 4. Then we must find out the distance AC. Then write down AC equal to in root sign. Again we write down the formula same. Here x2 minus x1. So x2 means this 1 plus 2 under root 3 minus this 1 bracket close bracket square. In root sign x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 is here 4 minus this 2 in bracket 4 minus 2 bracket square. Then in root sign again this plus 1 and this minus 1 cancel. Then write down in bracket 2 under root 3 its bracket square plus 4 minus 2 is 2 bracket square. Then square of this is 12, means 2 square is 4 and under root 3 its square is 3. 4 into 3 12. 2 square is 4. So 12 plus 4 we get 16 under root 16. So we can find out the under root of the 16, means square root of 16 is again 4. See, AB equal to 4, BC equal to 4, AC equal to 4. AB, AC and BC are the sides of the triangle. So having all these sides are having equal length. So the triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, and we can say that ABC are the vertices of the equilateral triangle. Good day, goodbye, okay.